Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you Windows 10 start menu and taskbar missing are not responding, how to fix. It's very easy. Control key press shift key and ESC key type. Control key press shift key press ESC key. Very easy. Control key press shift key press ESC key. After click on processes, click on Windows Explorer, right click. After click on will not. Click on learn. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you went to Windows 10 start menu and taskbar missing are not responding, how to fix. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.